The tape really is not doing this justice, but take my word for it. Everything is covered in ice. Covered. Branches are falling everywhere. There's our pool. Anyone for some ice fishing? There's a good shot. There's our wires. This is not supposed to stop until we don't know when. A couple days. Okay, hold on. Here we are, we're back out front. These are our icicles. This is our bush, and hopefully we'll be again in the spring. It's not long gone. It's just awesome. It's given us 2 days off from school. We haven't been back yet after Christmas. By the way, this is January 6th, 1998. That was cool. That was ice. Duh. Oh. It's coming down everywhere. We saw this branch come down a little while ago, but I didn't get it on tape. That one right there. Crackles are everywhere. Well, anyway, you've seen it. We've seen it. It's cold out here. Our skating rink, the bark. Okay, that's it. Oh, wait a minute. Sounds like something's coming. No, false alarm. A lot of places have lost their power. Been lucky so far. See ya. This is 4 days since the last time I camcorded this wonderful storm. This is now the park across the street. Isn't it pretty? We actually have a road today for the first time in 4 days. We can tell where the road is. We had no idea. This is our yard. See if I can move up here. This tree just missed my car when it fell. There's my park behind it. And I have already spent 2 hours picking up branches. So you're seeing it after 2 hours. Ooh, it's getting cold. Okay, hold on, I'll take you out back. Other side yard. So pretty. wanted to show you the ice crystals that have fallen. They're like giant ice cubes. This is what has fallen for 4 days. This is what the trees were covered with. They're everywhere. Not too badly hurt, I hope. Backyard. This is our cable wire buried under the ice. This is another wire. We don't know what it goes to. This is our electrical paraphernalia hanging off the house, pulled right out of the siding. That's where it was. Hopefully that will be fixed soon. Believe it or not, we still have electricity. Now this was the boys' playhouse and our fence, our neighbor's tree. Lost half of itself on the play gym and the fence. That's the plow you hear. I'm freezing. I'm gonna go inside. It's awful.